Good afternoon, student of class 7. I have already discussed the numericals of the chapter 1, that is measurement. We are going to start a new chapter today, that is energy. In class 7 you will only get the basic idea of energy. You have to learn it in the next classes also. So first you have to know what is energy. Energy may be defined as the capability or ability to do work. That means energy is the thing which makes us able to do work. Like you want to push the table. If you don't have energy, you are not able to push the table. Energy makes you capable to push that table. That means energy makes you capable to do the work. What energy is in our body? In our body there is food energy. But there are other energy also is working there, like fan is moving because we are supplying electrical energy. Here electrical energy is making capable fan to do work. Anything in the world that only working because we are supplying some energy to there. So energy is very important term. You have to know about that energy. What is work done? That is also given here. Work done means you are applying force if the body is moving in that direction. That is work done. That means if you push the wall, you are applying the force but the wall is not moving. That means there is no work done. So work done means you are applying the force and the body is moving. If the body is not moving, there is no work done. Like if you are pushing the table is moving. Here you have done the work. But if you are moving, pushing something or you are applying force into something but the body is not moving, then work done is zero. Work done may be two types, positive or negative. If you are applying force in the same direction, in which direction you are applying the force, the body is moving in that same direction, then work is positive. Like look at the pen. I am pushing the pen, I am applying the force in that direction and pen is moving in this direction. That means the work done is positive here. If it is like that, I am applying the force here in that direction but the body is moving that direction, then work is negative. That type of example is like a car is moving, you are applying the brake but the car is moving in the opposite direction. That means here work is negative. Next part, the various forms of energy. I have only said about the food energy which we have, but there are others energy like mechanical energy is there, chemical energy is there, light energy, electrical energy, nuclear energy, magnetic energy. There are others various energy, sound energy, wave energy. There are many energies there. Okay, we are going to read about mechanical energy. Mechanical energy also two types, potential energy, kinetic energy. What is mechanical energy? Due to the motion of a body and or position of the body. Like here, look at that. The pen is here, there is no energy of the pen. But if I lift the pen from the ground, I have changed the position of the body. Now it is having some energy that is known as potential energy. If I release that strike with some speed, that means that is having some energy. If I change the position or shape of the body, like in case of bow, if you change the shape, then that has some potential energy. Now if you release the bow, that will strike the arrow and arrow will move. That means if you change the shape of the shape of the body or position of the body, that body has some potential energy. But if the body is in motion, like look at the pen is in rest, but if pen start moving, that is also having some energy, that is known as kinetic energy. Both kinetic energy and potential energy is known as mechanical energy. Here you can see that there are two types of mechanical energy, kinetic energy and potential energy. Okay, next part is chemical energy. Energy stored in the matter is called chemical energy. We get energy to do work from the food that we eat. We are getting the food energy from food. How we are getting the food energy? Because food have stored the solar energy into it. Whenever we are getting that food, we are getting that energy. Whatever food we eat, that convert the solar energy and forms a chemical energy. Whenever we are eating that food, you are getting the glucose from that, you know that, and from that we are getting energy. That means that is a form of chemical energy. Next is light energy. Light is anything that makes us able to see anything, and that is one form of energy that makes visible all the things. Next is electrical energy. It is that energy is generated due to the movement of electron, and you know the electrical energy, everywhere there is a use of electrical energy. So this energy is generated because of the moving of the electron. Heat energy. Heat is also makes able somebody to do work. Like when water is boiled, that changes to steam. When iron, if you give the heat to the iron at some point of temperature, that will convert it to a liquid. Anything, if you give the heat to that body, that makes it able to do some work. Like if you give the heat to the diesel or petrol, that helps to burn that, and that converts, provide mechanical energy. As a result, car, bike can move. Magnetic energy, you know that magnet has different energy that attracts or repel the body. Okay, nuclear energy. What is nuclear energy? There are some material in this world. Okay, first you learn what is nuclear energy. Nuclear energy means the energy contained in atom or stored in atom, nucleus of an atom, that is known as nuclear energy. Nuclear energy means the energy stored in the nucleus of an atom is known as nuclear energy. When one nuclei split into smaller nuclei, that means like there is an, okay, I am explaining that. Look at that. There is a nuclei. If you strike them with neutron, that may be converted to the more nuclei, more smaller nuclei, and as a result there is a tremendous release of heat energy. If you hit that nucleus with neutron, that will be split into two smaller nuclei. As a result, there will be release of tremendous heat energy, and that energy is known as nuclear energy. And that phenomena is known as nuclear phenomena. There are two types of nuclear phenomena is there: nuclear fission and nuclear fusion, by which you can get the energy from the nucleus. Nuclear fission means whatever I explained now here, that is nuclear fission. That means if you strike some nucleus, that is converted or that is break down into two other smaller nuclei, and that get release of heat energy, that is known as nuclear fission. Nuclear fusion is different thing that is not contained in your syllabus, so you don't have to know. We'll learn that later. If you want to know, you can ask me that question. Sound energy. Sound energy means anything, any body which starts or which vibrates, that produce sound. That means vibration in the body is makes able that body to produce sound. That is known as sound energy. Law of conservation of energy. That is very important term about energy. there is a law which always follow energy. That means energy always follow that law. What is that law? That energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. Only it can transform from one form to another. That means whatever amount of energy was there when the earth was created, and today the energy is same, but it only can transfer from one to another. Like, look at the fan. Here you are supplying the electrical energy and that is converted to a mechanical energy. But here energy, forms of energy changes, but that total amount of energy is same. Okay, here is some example of transformation of energy is given here. In case of electric bulb, look at that. Electrical energy is converted to a light energy. In case of sound speaker, electrical energy converted to sound energy. Electric motor, electrical energy to mechanical energy. Electric iron, electric energy to heat energy. Steam engine, heat energy to mechanical energy. Torch, chemical energy to light energy. Solar cell, light energy to electrical energy. There are that formation of energy, transformation of energy. Some example are given, and you can understand by checking any instrument in your home that what transformation is taking place in that. Like in your phone, there is a battery which running your phone. What type of energy transformation is there? Here chemical energy is converted to electrical energy. Okay, there are others part of this chapter we will discuss in the next class. We can check out some question whatever you have read today. Here you can understand the capability of doing work is called energy. Dash and two types of mechanical energy, potential and kinetic. Energy is used when work is done. A solar cell converts light energy into that is not done, so you don't have to do. Electrical bulb convert electrical energy to light energy, that you know that. Okay, here is some that is not done yet, so you don't have to do it. Which of the following energy gives up energy to do work? Wind, wood, food. Food, obviously I said that food makes us able to do work. Which is the kind of mechanical energy? Wood, kinetic. Wind, water. Kinetic, obviously there is two type of mechanical energy, kinetic and potential. So here is the law of conservation of energy states that energy can be created, no, energy cannot be created. Energy can be destroyed, no, energy cannot be destroyed. So the third, energy can neither be created nor destroyed. That is the law of conservation of energy. Which is not a future, that is not done yet, so you don't have to read. The unit of energy, I didn't say that is joule. The glow of bulb, dash energy. When the bulb glow, what energy converted to what energy? You know that electrical energy converted to light energy. The interior of the sun has what type of energy? Nuclear energy. The most widely used energy is, you don't have to, that is not done yet. The nucleus is split up and producing nuclear energy during nuclear fission. Okay, there are other questions. You can solve that question also. What is the main source of energy? What are the main source of energy? Actually the main source of energy is sun. Whatever energy we are getting in this world, maximum energy is coming directly or indirectly from the sun. So main source of energy is sun. What is the mechanical energy? I already said, due to position or the motion, whatever energy is we are getting, that is known as mechanical energy. There are two kinds of mechanical energy. One is potential, another one is kinetic. Define light, sound, wind. That is not done yet. Yes, that is done. Light energy, sound energy, wind and solar energy. Solar energy is not done yet. Wind energy not done. So you have to define light and sound. Law of conservation energy is already said that energy cannot be created or not be destroyed. It only can transfer from one form to another. That is the law of conservation of energy. That is not done yet. You don't have to do. Renewable, non-renewable, don't done. What is heat and electrical energy? I already said that electrical energy is causes due to the moving of electron. Heat energy due to the gaining of What is heat? Actually, what is heat energy? I already said that the definition of heat energy. You can read it from the book. You have the book. Define kinetic and potential energy. Kinetic is due to the motion of the body and potential is due to the position of the body or shape of the body. Nuclear fusion, that is, I didn't discuss that, so you don't have to do. What is solar energy is not discussed. Okay, there are other questions, we will solve it later. Whatever you have learned, if you have any question about that, if you are not able to understand up to which I have discussed, you can ask me the question.